don't be a snurd when you sneeze. And go around spreading disease. Only a worm would share his germ with everyone else in the room. So, put a lid on your mouth when you cough. And nix your nozzle when you... And cover your face when you have a cold. Or somebody else will.